Where are my chronically online people at? Any doom scrollers in the house? I'm online all the time. So much so that I got sucked into that Punch the Monkey drama. You guys know Punch the Monkey?
Yeah.
Most of you? Okay. If you missed it, in case you've been living under a rock, Punch the Monkey is a monkey that was in a zoo overseas who kept getting his shit rocked by the other monkeys in the enclosure. And everybody started feeling bad for him. It got so sad that they gave him a stuffed animal just so he wouldn't be so lonely. Now, I'm no animal expert, but did anybody think about changing his name? They could have changed it to Accept. Accept the monkey, maybe? Or I don't know, Hug. I feel like at the very least, they should have changed his name to Don't Punch the Monkey, right?